Hello, welcome to Redhead Art. First of all, subscribe to the channel. You do not want to miss out on any of our fantastic crafts here in Redhead Art. Today, I'm going to show you already, look, we're going to show you how to make one of these egg carton roosters. You can still see a bit of the glue drying because I made this one earlier today. And I wanted to show you quickly how it's done. It really takes minutes and it's really cute. And as you can see, look, it comes out of the corner of an egg carton that has a nice long pointy bit. You'll need a little bit of felt offcuts. If you want some feathers, I've put them there as optional, and some googly eyes, scissors and white glue. Now I've also brought these out because I wanted to show you how cool these DIY rattles are. And we use these using recycled materials. I'm going to link below so you can see how these are made, but I actually also got it out just so I can pop it in here and show you that this little rooster is also an egg cup. So there you go. So whilst this one dries, let's have a go at making our own. Here we go, rooster, you behave. Right, the first thing you need to do is you need to cut out sort of this corner. Now I have to say, I think the cutting is a little bit fiddly because it goes up and down, but you know, just be patient. You can always cut it out rough and then cut it out a little bit neater afterwards. And so there we go. Here we go, I'm cutting it out rough first. There we go. And then we'll get it neater. Just be careful not to cut into your actual, you know, what will be your egg cup. There we go. So I'm going to trim this. Just trim as much as you like to make it as neat as you like. And then trim down here. We love these. And these little egg cartons are really cute. You can use them for, you know, just decorating the table. You can use them to eat your Easter egg. If you're somebody who likes to decorate eggs, this is a really great way to decorate egg, you know, to sort of display your decorated eggs in the run up to Easter. Also you could put chocolate egg in there, that would be quite nice. So lots of different ways you can use it. Now I'm going to cut out my little bits. I've got a little bit of a zigzag here from my other chicken, but I'm just going to cut a new one out just to show you how it's made from scratch, so to speak. And to be honest, sometimes I have to cut things out twice and it doesn't matter. You kind of cut it out and you see if it works, or you trim it, or you make it a bit shorter, a bit longer, just to see what works for you. Here we go. I might have to trim it once I've got this, let's see. So I think that's going to work for us. If you want, you can do a tiny little snip in there, not too much because you'll cut it off, just to help it go around the bend, but to be honest, it should be fine. Then I'm going to need, or I'd like, I don't really have to have it, that little sort of, is it a wattle, the bit that sits underneath the beak, and for that I just cut out a little red heart. There we go. There we go, it's a little red heart. And then I'm going to need a beak, and to do the beak I just fold this over like this, cut a triangle, and the reason I fold it is to get the sort of perfect top and bottom. There we go. It's good to have good scissors when cutting felt. Not all scissors cut felt very well, so make sure you use a decent pair. Let's just see, am I happy with that? I might just trim that a little bit. There we go. And then I've got my googly eyes. So now you've got all your little bits. What you need next is some glue. We would use a pot of glue, but the nozzles always get glued shut. Don't know why. So we just open it up. We use our craft stick, or coffee stirrer actually, and then I just bung loads of glue on here, at the top and on the back. Now I find it easier, or we as a family find it easier, to do it this way around rather than try and put the glue on the eyes or on the felt. So somehow if you put it on the eyes or the felt, you end up with it all over your fingers and stuff. I'm putting lots on because then it'll kind of just make it all stick to it nicely. So let's start with the eyes. Doesn't really matter what you start with. And some eyes here. There we go. Then you can put this on. Now if you're working with younger children, you can help them with the cutting out, and older children should be able to start to shape it themselves. Oh, look at that, already you've got a little hen. There we go. And now this is always the trickiest bit because it kind of goes around the corner. Let me just smudge that glue all over. Here we go. And we have our very own egg carton rooster. Now if you want, just because I wanted to show these, you could use some feathers as well. I think these are a little bit long, so I would probably cut these in half if I used them. And you could have them, look how cute these will look, on the side like that. Here we go. Or you could have them coming up the back, a nice rooster's tail. So really it's just sort of up to you. Have a look at what you've got around the house, what you've got a lot of, and you know, these are really sweet and fun to make. And you've got cock-a-doodle-doo. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to Redhead Art. We'd love to see you here again soon. And have a happy day. Bye bye.